This video is about how I got a crazy FPS boost on the same PC that was previously stuck at 500 FPS. Trust me, this method is completely safe to use and definitely worth trying on your PC. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and dropping a like to help push this video further on YouTube. Want super low ping in all the games? That's where GEARUPBOOSTER comes in clutch. Download GEARUPBOOSTER right now with the top link in my video description. It finds the best DNS servers near you to cut ping, fix lag spikes, and keep your game smooth and stable. And the best part, you can try it completely free. Alright, before we start, let me quickly explain why this tool is so powerful. When you're gaming, Windows constantly stacks unnecessary cache and memory processes in the background. Over time, your RAM usage keeps climbing, even if your game doesn't actually need it. This results in stutters, frame drops, and even massive input delay. First, download MZ Booster using the link in the description. It'll take you to my official website where you can safely grab it. Once downloaded, install it just like any normal program and then launch it. When it opens, you'll see the main dashboard with several tabs: System Info, System Speedup, and Options. Let's go through them step by step. In the System Info tab, you can monitor your memory usage. It shows you your total RAM, how much is currently in use, and how much is free. You'll also see your virtual memory details here. This tab is mainly for tracking, but it clearly shows how much RAM is being wasted on background processes. Once we optimize, you'll immediately see more free RAM available for your games, which directly helps boost FPS. Next, go to the System Speedup tab. This is where the real optimization happens. Make sure to apply the following tweaks. Disable NTFS, Last Access Update Stamp. This reduces unnecessary disk writes. Disable 8.3 file name creation, saves system resources. Always keep Windows kernel in memory, keeps the system core in RAM for faster response. Automatic unload of unused DLLs, freeze unused memory automatically. Under CPU priority tweaks, select Boost Foreground Applications. This ensures your games get top priority from the CPU. After applying these tweaks, your system will instantly feel more responsive and free up RAM for gaming. Now head to the Options tab and copy the same settings I'm using in this video. Once that's done, look at the right side panel and click Smart Optimize and Recover Memory. This feature instantly clears memory cache and recovers wasted RAM from background processes. The moment you apply it, you'll notice more free RAM and smoother performance in your games. And that's it. Now before ending this video, here is the last step, which is about how to get lower ping in Fortnite. To get started, first you need to download this free tool from the link in my video description. Once you download it, simply install it on your PC. After the installation, launch the program and you'll see the GEARUPBOOSTER interface. The first step is to log in using your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll see all the games currently installed on your PC. If you switch over to the Games tab, you can also browse through thousands of supported games that can be optimized. Now, let's optimize the connection for a game. Head back to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. In my case, I'll choose Fortnite. Click the Boost button and GEARUP will automatically start optimizing the game. The software will scan and find the best possible server for you. Here you'll need to select your server region. Always pick the closest server for the lowest ping and best stability. For me, the middle server gives the best results. Now go to the Node tab where you'll see a full list of available servers. You can either choose the nearest one manually or let GEARUP automatically select the most stable server. For most people, I recommend leaving it on automatic for the best performance and launch your game directly through GEARUPBOOSTER. From here, the tool will handle everything in the background, optimizing your network, reducing ping, and even improving FPS in Fortnite or any other game you play. And that's it. You're now set up with GEARUPBOOSTER to enjoy smoother gameplay with lower latency. This complete guide will make your FPS higher and make your ping that will make your gaming experience a lot better. So make sure to try it and let me know your thoughts in the comments.